I just said that literally this judge, his family is profiting off this trial. This is exactly what goes against New York's law.
I am subject to the gag order, but as we've said repeatedly in court filings, we believe that Judge Merchan is irretrievably conflicted in this case. We believe that he should have recused off of this case. That's something that we're going to continue challenging in the weeks ahead. It's absolutely outrageous. This case should have never been brought. It should have been dismissed long before trial. The gag order is unconstitutional. The testimony being introduced day after day after day is unduly prejudicial and has essentially zero probative value with respect to the actual charges at issue. This case is an outrage. It's absolutely outrageous. It's offensive to those of us who have spent our lives fighting for our legal system and for our Constitution. President Trump has every right to be outraged by what's going on in this New York court.
All right, so a little news today. The judge finally tells Michael Cohen, who's expected to appear possibly Monday on the stand in New York. This is President Trump's former lawyer who orchestrated some of these deals. Finally tells him, or at least the prosecution, tell Michael Cohen to stop taunting the defendant, meaning President Trump. Now, in some respects, I don't know if it's an official gag order, but I'd rather unleash President Trump and let Michael Cohen be unleashed and let them both talk and exercise their First Amendment rights than try to shut them both down. I don't know. Your thoughts on this?
Yeah, perhaps the most offensive aspect of this gag order of many is the fact that it's a unilateral gag order. It applies to President Trump and our team, but it doesn't apply to the prosecution. And as we've seen repeatedly, it doesn't apply to witnesses. The idea that some of these witnesses can go on TV, can go on podcasts, attack President Trump viciously day after day after day, and that he's not allowed to respond in kind at the height of a presidential election. It's astounding. It's unprecedented in American legal history. It's absolutely outrageous.